Now I am talking about move, rotate and scale toolbar. Select any 3D element, go to item tools, and here you can see move, rotate and scale. Select move and click on the green, blue or red arrows. You can see the element is moving. Okay. Now click on the 3D element and go to rotate and click on the this arc portion. You can see the element is rotating. You can rotate in other way also, or this way. Okay. Again click on the 3D element, go to item tool and scale and click on the this triangular portion for scaling. In this way you can rotate, you can move or you can scale any element in Navisworks.